Welcome! This video is about navigating a career in drug metabolism and pharmacokinetics, or DMPK, inside the industry. We'll explore how you can transition from bench scientist roles to becoming a project representative. If you have any questions or want to connect with an expert, please use the email address listed. You can also explore the BioFate AI features using the app link and find instructional videos on the YouTube channel. This video is designed for in vitro, in vivo, MetID, bioanalysis, PK, or clinical staff. It's for those looking to move across DMPK domains, grow towards project representative or clinical pharmacology roles, and find a safe space to ask difficult questions. DMPK fundamentally answers how much drug reaches the body, how fast it is cleared, where it goes, and in what form it exists. This matters because it explains efficacy failures, drives safety margins, supports dose selection, and feeds into regulatory documents. DMPK is continuous across the R&D pipeline, from discoveries early in vitro ADME and PK, through preclinical's full PK, TK, and QWBA, to clinical studies like FIH, DDI, and 14C mass balance. The goal is to screen, characterize, and confirm the drug's properties. A real challenge in the industry is the lack of safe space to ask questions, the fear of looking ignorant, and the lack of time for mentoring. This can make moving across teams feel difficult or blocked. Common starting roles include in vitro ADME scientist, in vivo PK/TK scientist, bioanalysis/MetID scientist, and PK modeler. Remember, DMPK requires multidisciplinary thinking. If you are an in vitro ADME scientist, you bring strong enzyme and transporter knowledge. To move toward a project rep role, you need comfort with PK parameters, IV/IVE scaling, and understanding exposure margins. BioFate AI can help with PK analysis and IV/IVE tools. For in vivo PK/TK scientists, your next step is integrating data. You need to combine in vitro ADME, MetID, and clinical PK, and discuss DDI, mass balance, and QWBA. Tools like BioFate AI's DDI simulator and Expert Connect can support this transition. If you are in MetID/bioanalysis, you are skilled in metabolite quantification. To increase your influence, focus on missed thresholds, how your data feeds into dosimetry, and communicating metabolite risk to clinical pharmacology. BioFate AI has missed logic and mass balance workflow support. Moving from DMPK to clinical pharmacology requires strong trial design thinking, comfort with exposure-response relationships, and crosstalk with regulatory teams. BioFate AI offers PK/PD Explorer and DDI simulation tools to help bridge this gap. In discovery, DMPK focuses on in vitro ADME-like stability and permeability, and early in vivo PK studies. These data are used to decide whether to progress or stop compounds and optimize structure and formulation. Preclinical DMPK involves full PK profiling, tox-TK to link exposure to toxicity, and QWBA for tissue distribution. These efforts are crucial for understanding safety margins and supporting the selection of the first-in-human dose. QWBA, or quantitative whole-body autoradiography, typically uses 14C labeled drug in rats. It measures radioactivity across tissues over time to identify high-exposure organs and support human dosimetry for later 14C studies. The Human 14C Mass Balance Study aims for total recovery of radioactivity, identification of major excretion routes, and characterization of human metabolites. This supports MIST and yields critical information on fraction absorbed and absolute bioavailability. Together, QWBA and mass balance ensure a safe radio label program. QWBA provides animal tissue distribution for dosimetry, while mass balance defines the human metabolite profile and elimination route. Career growth in DMPK requires balancing depth in your current function with breadth across other domains. The goal is to move up and to the right on this skill map, integrating knowledge towards a DMPK project representative role. A DMPK project representative integrates all data: in vitro, in vivo, clinical PK, DDI, QWBA, and mass balance. They communicate risks to cross-functional teams like MedChem and toxicology, supporting compound and dose selection. BioFate AI provides a safe space to learn. The AI mentor allows for anonymous, judgment-free questions. The quiz generator helps you check your knowledge, And Expert Connect offers structured feedback outside your reporting chain. BioFate AI functions as your DMPK practice lab with interactive tools for PK, IVIVE, DDI, and dosimetry. The AI mentor explains concepts, and the quiz generator prepares you for interviews using real project-style workflows. You can map the skills you want to build to specific BioFate AI modules. For example, use the DDI simulator for risk assessment and the radiodosimetry estimator for QWBA and 14C study planning. Expert Connect offers on-demand mentoring for technical questions, study design, career guidance, and interview preparation. Submit your question or scenario and receive a structured, personalized response from an expert. For your 90-day plan, choose your target direction, pick 2 to 3 bridging skills, and use BioFate AI to practice them. This practice builds the confidence and language needed for career progression. Please note that BioFate AI is an educational and training tool, not intended for clinical or regulatory submissions. Always follow your organization's policies for real projects. The views in this video are personal and not associated with any employer.